kanjani ngiyala
masuzozibuza
ngiyala
ukuthi masuzozibuza ukuthi lezi zifo abazoyilapha la indaba bengazilaphi bona.
ngempela Mamthuni sawubona ngathi ngajabule khona wena imancane futhi sibo 1 minute ngibingelele
Kuleke
sawubona sisinana ngathi usabhizi siyaphila siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungene mhlawumbe uzele nama-answers yazi
siyaphila
no lana ngivuke nombuzo ovele nje ojulile ukuthi manje wona siqale ukuthi nje seke wasibona ukuthi isangoma or any traditional healer iyobona udokotela awukazi they don't
ngabe nje mama
ngcono at least yebo kunjani yeah at least ilapho nje itopic ukuthi kwezinye izinto sande pho why bengazi baya like okunye is like ngathini angazi into ngayibeka kanjani banamandla bane spiritually ba connected kusisi yeah okay banamandla ba connected ne spiritually banakho konke abanye banemkhovu abanye banentuthane they have many things abangayisebenzisa pho why can't they go by ebank bayothatha imali why kumele sibambula yini nesangoma ave ngiphuna inhliziyo mina ukuthi yazi ibo sothi ngikuline kwi-ATM simnesangoma ngihlupheka nawe unamapower ngihlupheka nawe
awuziro bethu bakhona nje nalabo abathi bazokunikeza imali eningi bona bengenayo so lezi zinto ziyenzeka yabo
mfethu hayi asizwe abantu bathini yazi kuningi ihil thothi ihila umuntu one spiritual yokuhila uya usimthola eclinic usimthola emshiyeni usimthola private hospital kanjani wena unamapower okuhila wena it's a lot angazi anyone can speak ngiyaxolisa anyone unombono different nje I have questions yo uthi ngade ukhuluma mabhuti sibo
na uhlezi ucabanga ezinye izinto nje nawe uphumula nini lalela
awusibeke understand
mina mfethu iya confused lena but there was this other time ngigula mfethu yabo bese nje imlenze into ngakudokotela imlenze yami yavela ababhlungu but udokotela wavela wathi ayimvesa ayikho into enjena wena kufanele uhambe ubona abantu besizulu uyakholela kubantu besizulu ngathi mina anginankinga nabo wathi awubona abantu besizulu because medically ayikho into engayenza yona mina ngithi phezulu imlenze ngikungekho lutho because nama-testers awunalutho so awuyekini bekumsamo kini ubona ukuthi kuhambani yabo bacele kini ukuthi mhlawumbe nozwana kulabantu abanamanga because like medically there's nothing we can do like ayikho into ethi content kumele sikulaphe khona. Well I went back home now uma kuwukuthi mhlawumbe isangoma siya esibhedlela and stuff ngihlezi ngitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe mina ngoba lezi zifo ezisiphatha manje zazi ingekho kudala mhlawumbe itechnology sishintshile but akuyenzi sense because uma kuthuphethe mfethu isifo futhi indaba ungabonanga sizokuphatha lesifo lesuthi content ngihlaselayo but also akekho namandla kulapha lesifo ngaphandle kokuthi uze uzame ngama western yabo ntontoni
ubunamapower wena as it doesn't make sense.
So it's very confusing mfethu uyabona into eyicabangayo ucabanga nje bese kahle hle usixukuza umqondo wena ngoba lento lemo icabanga awugcini because ugcina ungazi mfethu ukuthi ukholwe bani uyeke bani yebo lonto le
exactly ugcina sekube ngathi scam sekube ngathi scam why but le amabank yona ngifisa ukuyazi kakhulu ke le amabank yona ngifisa ukuyazi ngempela uyayibo sira icabanga yazi yona ngifisa ukuyazi ngempela unamapower nezinyoka nakho konke awukwazi kanjani ungene ebank uthathe imali wena yini kuvimbayo
awu mfethu mina yabo uthola ukuthi uyakumuntu athi umuntu yena uzokwenzela imali yena mfethu uhlala endlini ewayo yabo
sanibona
indli yawa mfethu kodwa yebo sawubona siyabonga
Ngiyaxolisa bafethu ngiyafika ngicela ukuphawula lolu daba lenu kade nginilalela. Mkhaya
Hayi
wami,
khuphuka ba.
you stated Anthony Sango,
Ethiopia
but I'm
real.
just an ordinary person living in South Africa.
Okay, no
But you
problem
stated
ba.
something very important. The
Yes.
biggest question I have is, do you certainly think the medical doctor does not get sick? They do get sick. They do find themselves in hospital, but they've got all the education and knowledge